How to activate your Fifth Third Bank debit card. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Fifth Third Bank debit card activation page at 53.com/activate. Next, log in by entering your user ID and password. Then enter the last 6 digits of your debit card number along with the expiration date and hit the submit button. After successful verification, your debit card will be activated and ready to use for purchases, ATM withdrawals, and other transactions. If you face any issues during activation, you can contact Fifth Third Bank customer support for assistance or visit your local branch. Always remember to keep your card details secure and log out of the website when you are finished for safety. And that's it. Now you know how to activate your Fifth Third Bank debit card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.